Categories have been added to help organize CS and workgroup lists. Here we create a new category called Setup 1 and drag the appropriate CSs into the category. Also a Setup 2, and then a miscellaneous category. The categories can be collapsed or expanded as needed. Categories are also available within Workgroups. So here a new category called Setup 1 and drag the appropriate workgroups into the category. Now throughout the system, as needed, these categories will be visible. In this roughing process, the workgroup categories are visible. As are the CS categories. They are also visible in Operation Manager. And finally, they're also available in plugins.